How are you?
I am fine.
What are you?
I am student.
What is your name?
My name is Ansuman Sethi.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Santasna Sethi.
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Lina Sethi.
What class are you in?
I am in class 1.
What is your brother's name?
My brother's name is Abhi Sethi.
What is your sister name?
I have no sister.
What is your grandfather's name?
My grandfather's name is Polo Sethi.
What is your grandmother's name?
My grandmother's name is Saraswati Sethi.
How old are you?
I am 6 years old.
Hmm. How are you from? How are you from? I from
I from Gadachida.
I am from
Gadachida.